In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Photoshop 2024 Express on Windows 11, which is now called Adobe Express Photos. This is a quick and easy way to get Adobe's lightweight photo editing app installed directly from the Microsoft Store for free. If you're looking for a simple way to edit photos, apply effects, crop images, or make fast adjustments on Windows 11, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store into the search bar, then pressing Enter to launch it. If you already have the store pinned to your taskbar or Start menu, you can open it from there as well. Once the Microsoft Store is open, you'll see the main homepage with a search bar at the top. Now click inside that search bar and type Adobe Express Photos. If you don't see that exact name, you can also type Adobe Photoshop Express, because the store will usually redirect you to the updated listing automatically. This is important because Adobe has rebranded the app, but the official Microsoft Store listing still connects you to the correct version. After typing the name, look through the results and make sure you select the official app published by Adobe Inc. That way, you know you're downloading the real application and not a third-party copy. Once you open the correct app listing, you'll be taken to the app details page. Here, you should see a blue Get button or sometimes an Install button. Click that button to begin the download. Windows 11 will automatically handle the installation in the background, so you don't need to manually run any setup files or go through a complicated installer. Just give it a moment while the app downloads and installs on your system. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Adobe Express Photos for the first time. The app may take a few seconds to start up, especially if this is your first time opening it. Once it launches, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use your Adobe ID if you already have one, or you can sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, depending on the options shown on your screen. If you don't have an Adobe account yet, you can create one for free right there in the sign-in window. After signing in, the app may ask for permission to access your photo library. This step is important because it allows Adobe Express Photos to load your images so you can start editing right away. If you want to use the app properly, make sure to allow the requested permissions. Once that's done, you're all set and ready to use the app for quick photo edits on Windows 11. And that's it. Adobe Photoshop 2024 Express, now Adobe Express Photos, is installed and ready to go on your Windows 11 PC. You can now start editing photos, creating simple graphics, and making fast adjustments with Adobe's lightweight tool. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.